Hi guys, I'm George Lavender, as you know, on my channel. I just made a video with ManVibs1. He is a great YouTuber. Oh, he's ringing now. Hello, ManVibs1. You're on my YouTube video. Say hi. Say hi.
How are you?
Hello.
How are you, mate?
Alright, so this is ManVibs1, aka Max Wild. Oh god.
George, I can't see you.
Wait for
George,
the
your camera isn't on.
Oh, let me just sort out. One sec, guys. Max, I can't.
Why?
Because I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so guys, we made a video on Max's channel. I'll put a link up here. Here. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try.
I'm called ManVibs1.
Yeah, but I'm gonna put a link up here so you can see it, okay? So see you later, guys. What the best? Oh god! Oh god!